Hey guys, Happy New Year, and Realme all set to launch new smartphone Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus in India 3rd January 2024, and this is the first look Realme 12 Pro and 12 Pro Plus. Yes, design wise the phone almost look like Realme GT5 Pro. The smartphone built with glass front and back with plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution T8 LTPS OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the smartphone powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0, and the most highlighted feature is the periscope zoom lens. Yes, the budget phone also comes with periscope zoom lens. In the camera department, the phone comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX890 plus 8 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel OP64B periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and the font is come with single 32 megapixel selfie camera. So in the camera department, the Realme 12 Pro Plus going to be best. In the battery department, the smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery and it support 100-watt fast charger. The phone also comes with stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner, face lock. So I am very much excited about Realme 12 Pro Plus. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. So that's pretty much for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and as always I will be catch you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.